Hey mama, have you seen a chick whose body's about as good as it gets? Oh yeah, this cutie was thick. I ain't never seen a girl like this, with so much class and so much hips. Got me feeling right, and I ain't worried about the things she do, cause she the type that don't need a crew. And I can tell that by the way she smiles. Swag is bad, can't be mad, and let's get ghost tonight. She got the craziest body, and she's a like little mommy. She got her in the bag, sexy eyes to match, push my in the bag. Her smile lights up the room, and she ain't got no attitude. I wouldn't say it if it wasn't true. I'm talking about you. So baby, now you know the deal. Don't be frontin', tell a nigga what's real. Come on baby, tell me how you feel, cause the temperature's rising, getting excited. Oh